This is Mariah.
Yep.
I think Cheyenne.
Mariah, Cheyenne, Tiana, Shelby, Devontae. We don't know who this big nigga is.
This is the Hoover campus.
This Hoover campus, fire, all campus. Hello, how you doing? All right, let's go. Come on! I don't want nobody shaking me today. You got a shot. You got a sharp object. You got a sharp object. You good. Done.
Holy shit.
He got a sharp object.
Here, you control my hand.
Okay, let's ignore it and hopefully he gonna go after someone.
Okay, come on.
On him. Don't piss on him. Just leave him alone. He's special.
I did all y'all right here already.
You better take my teeth.
Yeah, I'm like this to all y'all. That's why I didn't look.
Oh my God! Stop! We're in this thing, Brent. Okay, we ready? Come on, ready? Come on, come on, Brent. Hey, B, C, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, W, X.
Yep, right there. She's in the middle.
She in the middle.
This is Paul. This is Paul. Mariah is currently on the floor because of disposition. Cheyenne is in shock for some reason. She's scared because she just discovered Geico. I don't know why. She's just white.
He's trying to fight you, nigga. He scared the shit out of me. He was trying to fight Devontae. On my camera. Devontae recorded him. He was trying to fight Devontae. He was like, get him, don't get him. Come on. Let's be in the circle, nigga.
They left her right there.
Get her. Don't left me in the circle.
What are you doing? Jump her.
Yo, they gonna come over. Look at Mr. James. Come on, walk out. Don't pick me. No, we not.
Come on. Are you just going back to SRC?
What? Come on. You in the middle. Try it again. Ready?
For him. This is a historical moment. Today is March 20th, 2013. Today we are here in the ancient tribal game, ABC, where the ancient women do the dance, apparently doing the booty back up. While they perform the ritual, they did not realize that I'm recording everything. I have something. If you get caught with the letter Z, you will be in the middle.
Alice, he gonna shake your ass.
Monster.
When he catches
These girls can be vicious from time to time. Are you filming?
No, give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me the phone. I don't know if Are you recording? Are you recording? Are you recording? No, don't do that. Come on, I ain't taking it off, nigga. Can't do this, man. Yeah. Alright,
I'm just gonna be part of this group.
oh, thank you, Lord. Yeah, okay. Hold on. No, hold on. Hold on, here. I got shit. Nigga, it's a string. Wait, on the first one? No, the last one. You can't be behind me and grab my booty. Hold on, you can't be doing that. I really can't your booty. I didn't grab it. You touched me with the damn booty in my eyes. I ain't putting in the booty, nigga. Yeah, mine are like huge. Hold on, your kid does not want to go in. I have like double D's. We got me too. Oh, my triple D's are double D's. Okay, come on. I did it. Now I'm so better. I accomplished something without no one seeing. Y'all seen that? Y'all seen that? You seen that? The thing was already over there.
Oh my god, he's not behind you. The guy got scared of.
Well, I was gonna slap you right now.